1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom unit apartments. What we do have here, the red signifies the 2 bedroom unit, the green signifies the 1 bedroom unit, and then the blue is highlighting the 3 bedroom unit. Essentially, these are two identical blocks, and each block has 18 units. These brickwork members or design elements represent the ducts of the building, the drainage system of the building. Wherever we do have this, we do have some ducts, how the building is drained. Then on the other hand, we do have a service block. And this service block majorly does have a gym. It has a saloon. There is also a shop and bar area, but also some small offices for tenants who might not really want to go far away from where they stay. And this building or this project has been designed in such a way that the ground floor has been utilized for parking. So tenants come and drive and then park below the building, and others outside in the open of the building. But if you do park below the building, then you can use the stairs to access the first floor level, or alternatively take the ramp at the back of the building to access the same first floor level. So this is the ground level. This parking area. And then this is road in between the two blocks. These blocks are accessed from the back, and this is the front. So this we do have a road in between the two blocks that serves either block.